Hello, Tony from PPA, Property Professionals Australia, one of the directors. Today I want to talk about why we've come up with an 8-step process to help everyday Australians invest in property correctly and for highest gain. Why we've done this is because most people are buying incorrectly. They're not doing their research, they're getting sold on hype, they're getting sold on sales jargon and overinflated promised returns. Here at PPA, we do extensive research both through data, through property analyst and economist sites, but also on the grounds research, which is so important, right? Because most people are buying from behind a desk, buying from people selling from behind a desk. People without the full picture, the research on the ground to see the numbers actually do stack up, and there is massive drivers for economic growth and high returns over the coming years, and the timing is correct for when people should buy and what they should buy. And also the build quality is extremely important, and as PPA we're very different in the fact that we're both builders and come from project management backgrounds. Hence, the quality of your investment is very important. We have a panel of very high quality builders that build at very affordable prices and build quickly to tight time frames, because especially when you buy new, it's important you get a quality product so you don't have maintenance issues. One of the great reasons to buy new in the first place, because maintenance can really kill your cash flow, guys. It really hampers your return on investment figures over time. Property investment is really easy. Property is a bit easy to buy, but property investment is hard to get correct. Hence why we've designed a location matrix system. This was designed at Harvard University by a developer builder friend of mine that I've done a lot of work with over the years to give us a point scoring system out of 100 of where, what and how will perform higher than the average investment property, and what will give you sustainable returns for a longer period of time. And it's a point scoring system out of 100. As I said, it has to score over 70 or we don't even look at that area. And most locations in Australia unfortunately don't make the grade. In fact, out of about 300 a year we look at, about 30 do make the grade. So it's a pretty tough system, and it's why our clients have gained such high returns over a short period of time and been so successful over the previous 5 years. The other major driver besides all those valuable points that drive Peter and myself are the fact that the Australian Bureau of Stats tells us 86% of Australians will retire on a poverty income of about $16,000 or less, given they live to 83 years today on average. And guys, that means you've got to support yourself in retirement for almost 20-25 years, depending on how long you live. Have you really got enough in super and savings to do that? You need to invest correctly. You need to get it right. We're all time poor. We do not have time to make mistakes like most Australians unfortunately do. Thanks for listening.